Hi, I'm Cecilia.
And I'm Kyle, and we're both cuddlists in Philadelphia. We do professional cuddling. Some people call it therapeutic cuddling. And we're going to tell you a little bit more about it today, and Cecilia's going to ask me a great question that a lot of clients have.
So, Kyle, what do you find are some of the benefits people receive during a professional cuddling session?
Yeah, and I think that's a great question because this field and this modality of healing is so new that the spectrum of different benefits is so large. So I'm going to list some of the different ideas, and there's probably like an infinite number. What do you think? Is there a really large range of different things that people get out of it?
Definitely, especially depending on your purpose for wanting to have one.
Yeah, thanks. I kind of threw Cecilia into the question I didn't mean to.
It's okay.
So I think one of the basic ones for a lot of people is receiving really nurturing platonic touch and getting more of that really beautiful, nourishing touch in their lives that I think, unfortunately, especially in the United States culture, we don't get much. There's not many places to get that except for romantic relationships or certain family relationships. And even when you're in a romantic relationship, sometimes people have different touch needs or desires about how much they want to cuddle. So this is a great way to get that in a safe place. A lot of my clients really learn to receive more through the cuddle sessions. Some of the clients are people who they give and they give and they give, and they're always taking care of others. And this is a really great way for them to slow down and them get to be taken care of. And for some of them, that's a real growth process. That's a skill that they're learning through sessions with me. Another example of something that people get out of it is, unfortunately, some of my clients have had past trauma, and for whatever reason, touch is something that can be hard. That can be hard for them, or there's a lot of emotions attached to that. So in a gradual way, in a safe space, my clients, we can help them become more comfortable with touch, make touch really something that can be platonic and can be very consensual, and they can also improve their communication skills about really communicating their authentic yes, their authentic no thanks, and hey, let's negotiate to find a mutual yes for a way that we can share touch that really works for both parties in their real life as well as in Cuddlist. So those are a few wonderful things that my clients are getting out of the sessions with me, and I could go on, and I'll end it here. So thanks for the question, Cecilia.
Thank you. Thanks.